back to our channel. I'm Bobo.
I'm Ernie.
And this is
wellincart TV.
So you can see today we wore like different hair bands, right?
Yes.
This one got any special name or not?
Called the wow.
Other than first, can you spot our special guest today? Give you a hint, it's brown in color. You can see, right, other than our headbands and also domo, so the ingredients on top of this table, meaning it's more towards like today we want to tell you what we can do with all these ingredients.
Correct.
In the themes of Halloween.
Yes.
All due to the COVID-19, I believe a lot of people, they can't go out and have trick or treats.
Yeah.
And then they also cannot collect all the sweets from other neighborhood as well. So today we want to show you the 3 simple ingredients and also 3 simple recipes that you can do along with your kids at home. So without further ado, let's get down to it.
Okay, so for the very first recipe, we are going to do avocado toast. So to make this is very simple. You just need bread, alright? Then you need to prepare any kinds of like vegetables or fruits which you like to incorporate into your avocado toast. Because, okay, this avocado toast is not an ordinary avocado toast. Because this is where all the fun begins, is where we create like, Frankenstein, we create monsters, we just have to design the avocado toast. So this is a great time for your kids to also let loose their imagination and their creativity. Yes. Okay, then you can see we also prepared seaweed, we have some nuts over here, and then peanut butter, as well as avocado and mango. Okay, so the reason why we mix this up is because we want to provide some sweetness. Because knowing kids, they do not like bland taste food, right? So we add mango to kind of increase their acceptance towards accepting avocado. Okay, and the same thing goes for the peanut butter. So peanut butter, you can spread it on your bread, followed by your avocado. Especially for those kids who maybe don't like peanut butter, you can kind of like hide it. Yes, exactly. Okay, so without further ado, shall we start? Okay, so we're done. So you can see this is mine, a little bit more spooky and weird. And else Bobo's one is so cute.
It started to go wrong when I put the raisins there. Don't know what happened, but then it looks very cute now. It
looks
doesn't look like very Halloween.
So you can see it depends on each individual. So let's say if you let your kids to, play and have fun, you can see they might come up with something very creative and very interesting as well. So it's very likely that they will eat all this kind of thing which is on their avocado toast.
Because they have the sense of achievement. Right?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's the first one. Now let's move on to the second recipe.
Second recipe.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the second recipe, it's a very simple one, which is called apple monsters. So you can see here, we have apples, we have strawberry, we have chocolate chip, and then we also have pumpkin seeds as well as sunflower seeds. And then we have our peanut butter. And lastly, we have white chocolate in a piping bag.
Yes.
Okay, so why is it called apple monsters? Well, we will show you in a bit. Okay, so it's super simple. You just have to follow us along. Okay, so Bobo, would you like to demonstrate it?
Okay, can.
So you can see it's so simple.
Yes.
Anybody can do this.
This is the apple monster.
Yes.
And then your kids will definitely like it because who wouldn't like apples, right?
I know. And some more, look at it. It's so interesting.
Yes.
Yeah.
And when you cut the apples, right, remember to leave the skin on because it provides the fiber. It's actually perfect snacks for snack time also because it's very nutrient dense.
Correct.
It's not just like empty calories food like the junk foods or like potato chips. Most of the recipes that we chose today is mainly fruits and vegetables.
Yes.
So it tries to help your children to hit their requirement for a day as well.
Correct. And then also for your peanut butter, right? Maybe you can opt for those options whereby they incorporate lesser sugar.
Yes.
Or if you can find those unsweetened one also, that will be better for kids. Because you do not want them to constantly crave for something sugary. Don't have kids, you can try it out yourself.
Yes.
We are having a blast.
Yes, and we're adults, right?
Yeah. And ta-da!
It's all very simple ingredients that you can find anywhere.
Correct.
Yes, and it's not very expensive also because
No.
if you want to make like a lot of apples, right? Maybe the apples itself you need like 1 or 2, but the strawberry itself, this one is not even 2 bg.
No.
Yes, so it's not very cost consuming.
Correct.
Yes, and you can find it anywhere as well.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So that's all for the second recipe, and then now let's move on to the
Third one. Let's go.
Yes. Okay, so we're done with the second recipe, and now we move on to the third one, and it's also the easiest one.
Easiest of them
Require
all.
The least ingredients. Yep, so first of all, you need 2 popsicle sticks. This one is a decorative kind of popsicle, it's not edible, but we're using it today for the video itself. Other than the popsicle sticks, you may need banana, as well as chocolate chips, and then white chocolate as well.
Yes.
And just 4 ingredients.
Done.
Fast. Okay, wait
See,
for
it's
me,
so
wait for me.
simple, and some more, like, which kid doesn't like banana? Everyone loves banana.
Banana is also very high in magnesium, vitamin B,
Correct.
all these nutrients.
Ta-da!
So you can see this is the end product. It's so easy. You don't need so many ingredients, and it's even easier than the previous 2 recipes.
Yes.
So we need to cheers, clean, but then we cannot eat because of the popsicles.
Correct.
Alright, so those are the 3 recipes that we recommend to you for you to do together with your kids during the Halloween. Of course, we do understand right now it's because of the COVID-19, it's rising up already. So kids are not allowed to go to tadika, is not allowed to go to school. So this is a good time for you to explore the interest together with your kids and to play along with them. And this one is also all the nutrient-dense snacks that you can provide to your kids. Yeah, so we hope you enjoy this video and find it beneficial and also like easy for you.
Yes, correct.
And then don't forget to hit the subscribe
button,
as well as
thumbs up, and lastly the notification bell so you
Correct.
don't miss a video from us. Okay,
that's
so
all
that's
for
all
our
from
video
us.
today.
Bye!